Kumasi, a clinic suspected to be performing illegal abortions has been shut down by the Health Regulatory Facility Agency. The Lake Road Clinic is among 9 facilities locked up in a 2-day exercise aimed at sanitizing the health service delivery sector. All 9 were found to be unlicensed, with some recruiting persons with no training in the health profession. Love FM's Nanaya Ojima has more in the following report.
HEFRA, through its intelligence, picked information that the Lake Road Clinic conducted illegal abortions and other gynecologic procedures without the requisite licensing.
Okay. They're doing medical procedures, so these are all here.
At the time of the visit, the inspection team picked unhygienic and unregistered medical equipment used in surgical procedures. Personnel performing medical services were also unlicensed. Registrar for HEFRA, Dr. Philip Bano, led the operation.
And when we went there, we saw several equipment that have been used. It seems they have been used, but it doesn't seem that they've been washed at all or cleaned. Some were quite dirty. We saw the operating room table. We saw the shape that was in. We saw some of the utensils or some of the bowls that, these were quite good, something you may even find in your kitchen or worse. So those were the things, the reports we were getting. That is why we were drawn there. So we didn't meet allegedly the doctor that works there. So we don't know his standing, whether he's really a doctor or not. But the people that were picked, they did not have any license to say whether they are nurses or otherwise.
It could be that at the Mediscience Laboratory at Bantama, the owner of the facility claimed to have the necessary qualification to man the facility, but failed to provide documents. Mediscience Laboratory, and he actually has 2 different shops here at Bantama. So we went to the first one, asked for his certification. He assured that he has them here. So the team followed him to this place for the certification, including his license that allows him to operate as a professional in such a facility. Unfortunately, he couldn't provide such certification. So the place is being locked up, and he will be picked up for further questioning and investigations.
I have everything. So
where is it?
It's not here. I said I traveled to Accra, and what's in my bag? Okay, I was to go to the office and I couldn't meet them. So I came back and it's my bag. So do I bring the bag here?
Initially down there you told us that it's here.
But it's not found here.
Okay. Osborne Diagnostics, Sonoscan Diagnostics Center and Focus Medical Diagnostics are among facilities shut down on the 2nd day of the exercise. Others include Crispat Hearing Center, De Castro Home Care and EchoScan Diagnostics Center. Dr. Bano explains the exercise has the goal of sanitizing the system and ensuring safety of the public.
We have some interest in closing some people's businesses down. That is not our interest at all. In fact, we want to see more people attracted or engaged in the healthcare sector. We want more private competition or more private participation. But at the same time, we want to make sure that we adhere to quality standards. We want to promote quality. That's all it's about. You don't want to go and have a scan in a place where the place is unlicensed. You don't know what kind of equipment they are using. You don't even know the quality of the imaging they are giving to you and who is even doing the interpretation of the images that they capture.
HEFRA was established in 2011 by the Health Institution and Facilities Act, Act 829, to license health facilities for the provision of public and private healthcare services. It is also mandated to register and monitor operations of all health facilities to set standards for quality healthcare delivery in all facilities across the country. For JoyNews, Nanaya Ojima reporting.